Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this section, I'm going to create a page for our products page and also add a button which you can be able to create products. So let's get started. Let's create our folder called product, and in here I'm going to create our file called products. Let's shorten things up and let's just copy here and let's paste it here. So we are going to change this to product list. And let's confirm if everything is right. Let's add our column. So let's not forget to add it also to our URLs. So we'll copy this and name this products, and the name of the class is products list. Okay, it's already imported. Okay, so we are going to also add it to our URLs. So I'll make sure that it leads us directly to that page. We don't need to click any other places to go there. So let's run it. Wait, let's just add our self.content. We are going to have self.content, and this is going to be a row. Okay, so we are going to have spacing equal to 0. We are going to have our controls. In our control, we are going to have our sidebar, so self.sidebar. Then we are going to have our main content, which is this. So we are going to put that in a container, just like as we have it here. So let's just copy it. And paste this here and change. Okay, it's self.content. So let's run this and let's see what happens. So we can see it has been displayed perfectly. So let's continue. Let's close this. So now let's start coding our main content. So in this our main content, we're going to have our spacing to be 20. Then in here, we're going to have our controls. In this control, that's where we're going to have our top bar, our self.top bar. Then we're going to have the other things that will follow. So here we're going to have our container. This container is going to have a background color of white. And let's see. Okay, we're going to have our padding to ft padding dot all is going to be 20. Let's add our column again. So in our column, we are going to have our controls. And our controls, we are going to have a row where we are going to have the title of the page and also the button to create a new product. So that will take in a row. And in that row, we are going to have our controls. And that controls is going to take a list of content. So that will be our text. Our text is going to be list, product list. Let's give this a size of 20. A weight of F2 font weight. Let's give this bold. Then I'm going to give it a color of our custom colors. We have header color, custom header color. Let's do this our text color, which is white, which is, let's see the color of this. Yes, that is almost blackish of color. Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. So we can see our product list is here. If you don't like this color, you can change it to black or any other color you'd want to have there. Okay, so let's continue. So now we're going to add our icon button. You can make it a text button, but for here we're going to use an icon button. And this icon button, our icon, let's see the icon, going to use the add circle. As I said earlier, you don't need to keep this in your head. All you have to do is control and click the icons, and you see the list of icons which are available, and you can take in one that you want. So let's continue. So our color, icon color is going to be green. Our icon size, okay. So I'm just going to name this 20. Then I'm going to give it a tooltip of our product. So in this, let's run it again and see what happens. Okay, made a mistake here. This is supposed to be icons, not icons. Okay, so we can see that it's here. The button is here. If you hover on it, so you see add product. Use space in between, which is the icon is going to be at the right hand side and the text is going to be at the left hand side. So this has to be with alignment. So that's going to be outside the controls. Then in that, we're going to write our alignments. Okay, I think that's it for here. Let's run this and see. So now we can see the button is here and our text is also at the left hand side. Okay, so we're going to add our divider. So let's see our row. Okay, our row ends here. So let's add our divider. Ft the divider. The color in black. I'm going to have our height to be 0.4. Then our thickness 0.5. Okay. Okay, so let's run it and see. Okay, so I see everything is running well. So now let's create our table. So we're going to exit out of this. Okay, so with this place, I'm going to move a little fast because we're going to just create a dummy table which is not going to have any functions yet. Okay, so we've created our interface now, and now it's having a table here, product, price, and our quantity. So let's add our buttons here. Now before that, let's add a padding here. Okay, so we have it here. So let's rather do the start. Okay, so we have our buttons and everything there. So let's see. In our next tutorial, I'm going to add our container, which when this is clicked, is going to bring us our add product. Thank you.